Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add categories and tags for WordPress pages. This video is from King Solutions. If you like this video, then please click on the like and subscribe buttons below the video to show your support for our channel. For this demonstration, I will be using a WordPress site hosted on localhost, but the process is exactly the same, whatever your site's location. Okay, let us begin. You may have noticed, there are no categories and tags for WordPress pages. By default, both categories and tags are limited to posts. In my opinion, this is a great oversight, as they come in really handy for organizing your content. Categories and tags help you sort your content and make it easier for users to find what they are looking for, even on WordPress pages. In this tutorial, I will show you how to rectify this oversight, and add categories and tags for WordPress pages. If you need help on how to use categories and tags in WordPress, see my article, Categories versus Tags, on our website. The first task is to install and activate the Post Tags and Categories for Pages plugin. From the Plugins section on the WordPress dashboard, click the Add New button to add a new plugin. On the Add Plugins page, enter Post Tags and Categories for Pages into the search box. When the plugin has been found, click the Install button. Followed by the Activate button, to get the application ready to use. With the plugin installed and activated, you should see the Post Tags and Categories for Pages plugin on the Admin plugin page. If we select one of our existing pages, you should also find post categories and tags available for your pages. Before I add this page to the Beginner's Guide category, let us see how that section looks. As you can see, the page, Posts versus Pages in WordPress, is not included in the listing. Just to see what happens, I'll add the page to the Beginner's Guide category. And add a couple of tags. If we go back to the Beginner's Guide page of posts and refresh the page, we can see that the page, Posts versus Pages in WordPress, is now included in the listing. Well, I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like and subscribe buttons below the video to show your support for our channel. To see more helpful videos, get more useful information and tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out the King Solutions website. The links are below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.